What's up guys? Okay, now we're gonna learn a little choreo and I'm gonna break it down first before doing it, okay? So, first step, you're gonna start with a box. So I just took a shoe box and you can take any box. Preferably have some weight so it's easier to move around, okay? So, I'm gonna shift it to my left here. 1, 2, okay? Then you're gonna bring it up. 3, 4, 5, sticks across, and 7, 8 down. So basically we draw one square kind of shape with the box. Okay, one more time. 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now put some friction with it so it looks like it's not just like in the air, it's like it's heavier, like shh, cut, shh, cut, shh, cut, and shh, cut. Okay? So that's the first 8. Now the second 8, we're going to go on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, it's almost like a reset. Okay, so we're going to walk there and then walk back. Okay, so every 2 counts, we take a step. So we take a step, boom, take a step, out, take a step, in, and in. Okay, now we're going to do that without moving the box. So it's going to kind of stay here. Watch us. 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that's your second 8. We're going to continue now to the third 8. Okay, so the third 8 is going to be a run. Okay, so it's almost like what you did just now with the walk. Okay, but what we're going to do is from here, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so you got one whole 8 to do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you're gonna look at the box, like as if like you're curious of what's inside. Okay, so you're gonna be, one more time, you're gonna run 1, 2, 3, 4, look, 7, 8. And now we're gonna spend one whole 8 of like trying to push this box. You're gonna go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you're gonna push your body 2 times. You're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Try to look as if the box is so heavy that you can't push it. Okay, so we're gonna try that 2 8s again. Okay, from after walking there, we're gonna run 1, 2, 3, 4, look, 6, 7, and push 2, 3, 4, push 6, 7, 8. All right. So for this whole part, the illusion is like an immovable box. Alright, we're going to take it from the top, first 4 8s, okay? 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Nice. Alright, so we were back with this pushing just now, so we are pushing, and now finally we're gonna push the box. Okay, so the next 8 is gonna be step, step first. So while you're pushing, you're gonna go step, step, and then you're gonna push the box. Then you're gonna do it again, step, step, and push the box. Okay, so that is 1 8. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, so you want to really have that feeling as if the box is heavy. Always make the illusion of the box, okay? Now, after that, we're gonna do a circle and a squat. Okay, simple, like this, circle and a squat up. Okay, so after we push 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, we're gonna go circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're gonna go squat. 5, 6, and 7, 8. All this while the box needs to be in the same position. Let's try this again. Okay, from here, 7, go. 1, 2, push, cut. 1, 2, push, cut. Circle. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Okay, last 2 8s. Now we're gonna go this way, back, the other way, back, tilt it up, back, and down. Okay? So if you're going this way to your left, you're gonna go pop, 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 up and down and. Okay? So while you're doing that, your head is gonna follow the same direction. So we're gonna go left and right and up and down and. Okay? Let's try that one more time. But it's gonna be faster. Okay? It's gonna go sharper and faster. Like one, ta, 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 ta. Okay? So let's try. 5, 6, 7, go. Look front, up and down and. Okay? So that's 1-8. And your final 8, just have fun with this one. Imagine now the weight is so heavy that you drop it down. Ooh. And then you're just gonna spend that whole 8 trying to pull it off, and finally okay, you can choose whatever way you want to end it with. You can end it like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or any way you want. Okay, I'm gonna do that the last 4 8s one more time from the push. All right, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, circle, 2, 3, 4, down and going up. Look, 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 look and drop. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now we're gonna try to take it from the top with counting. All right, 8 8s. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, push, 2, 3, 4, and push, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, last 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.